What's up, guys? I'm Xavier Elon. I do HackerRank and LeetCode tutorials on my channel, so check me out and subscribe if you haven't already. Today I'm working on going over a HackerRank problem, arrays left rotation. So the description just reads, a left rotation operation on an array shift each element of the array's elements 1 unit to left. So if we have 2 left rotations, it moves them to the left and it returns the array accordingly. So pretty simple. We just have to print it after. So the logic behind this is if we're going to want to create a new array, so let's call it array, and we're going to loop through. So we're going to have a for loop. So for I less than a dot length, a is the array that's provided, so it's going to be equal to I plus D, which is the number of shifts that they want to occur, modulus a dot length. So what this is doing is so let's go over it. So the first one is a 0 plus 4 modulus 5, so that's 4 modulus 5. Well, what's 4 modulus 5? It leaves 4 left over, so we have a 4. So array of 0 is equal to the value at the 4th element, which is 5 in this case, because it's 0th indexed. So that's why we put 5 here, and we just loop through the entire array. So that's all we have to do. This one's pretty simple. The hardest part is just recognizing how to do that. I think that's how an interviewer would want you to answer it, not using some function that automatically does it for you. That doesn't really prove your problem. I mean, I guess it does, but I don't know. I feel like this is the way they'd want you to, if this is the problem solving way they'd want you to do it. So let's code it out. So let's create an int array. And then let's just loop through. So we have exactly what I wrote. A of I plus D modulus a dot length. Okay, sweet. And that's it. So then we just need to return our new array. It's gonna be O of n runtime, and we created a new array. So O of n space complexity as well. So let's submit this. Sweet, it works. Yep, there you have it. Thanks for watching, guys.